Our learning target today, we are learning to understand what a polygon is. And to be successful today, you can explain what a polygon is. Okay, third grade mathematicians. Today, we're going to be learning about polygons, as you probably saw from our learning target and our success criteria. We'll be using this packet, okay? So make sure you get this out of your learning packets. Make sure this is in front of you, and if at any point, please pause the video if you need some time to catch up. We'll need to know what a polygon is before we get started. So, a polygon is a closed shape with straight sides. It can have any number of sides as long as it's closed and as long as those sides are straight. Un polígono es una forma cerrada con lados rectos. Okay? Let's give some examples of polygons. So if I were to draw a shape like this, it's a triangle, but it's a closed shape. All the sides come together with straight sides. All the sides are straight, so that's a polygon. Let's give an example of something that might not be a polygon. It's closed, but its sides aren't straight, so this circle is not a polygon. Let's give another example of what might be a polygon. We'll give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. Now, all the sides are supposed to be straight. This one got a little bit wonky. We'll try that again. All right, that's better. This has 7 sides and they're all straight. All sides come together. It's closed. That means this is a polygon. Let's give one more example of something that might not be a polygon. Let's do a half circle. Well, there's one straight side, but one side is not straight. It's still closed, but it's not a polygon because of this curved side. Let's try an example that isn't a polygon again. This time, we'll leave it open and show you what that should look like, okay? So if I were to draw a shape over here, let's say it has 1, 2, 3 sides. But if this side doesn't come together with that side, guess what? That shape is now open, meaning it can't be a polygon because a polygon is a closed shape, una forma cerrada, okay? Okay, third grade mathematicians, now that we know what a polygon is, let's open up our packets with the page that says polygons, or in Spanish, polígonos, and let's look at question number 1 together. 2 of the shapes below are polygons, and 2 are not. Dos de las figuras a continuación son polígonos y dos no lo son. A. Circle the 2 polygons. Ensería en un círculo los dos polígonos. Okay? So let's look at this first shape. Are all the sides straight? Are all the sides straight? Yes. And do all the sides come together? Or is it a closed shape? Yes. So this is a polygon. Let's look at our second shape. Are all the sides straight? Are all the sides straight? Yes. Do they all come together? Or is it a closed shape? Well, no, because look at the top here. You can see that it's open. Este es abierto. So it is not a polygon. This shape, let's look at this one. Are all the sides straight? No. So it is not a polygon. And let's look at this shape. Are all the sides straight? Yes. Do they all come together? Or is it a closed shape? Yes. So if we're going to circle the 2 polygons, why don't you try this on your own, pause the video, and then I'll do it. Oh wait, don't worry. That is a polygon, and that is a polygon. Let's look at part B together. Explain why the other 2 shapes are not polygons. Explica por qué las otras dos figuras no son polígonos. Well, this shape isn't a polygon because it's open. All the sides don't come together. It has this opening right here. Este no son un polígono porque este es abierto, no es cerrado. This one is not a polygon because its sides are not all straight. Este no es un polígono porque los lados no son rectos. Okay? Let's move on to question number 2. Question 2. 3 of the shapes below are quadrilaterals and 1 is not. Tres de las figuras a continuación son cuadriláteros y uno no lo es. A. Circle the 3 quadrilaterals and sería en un círculo los 3 cuadriláteros. Okay? So think back to lesson number 1 earlier. What is a quadrilateral? Well, a quadrilateral is a type of polygon that has 4 straight sides. Okay? So let's count the number of sides on each of these figures to figure out which one is a quadrilateral and which one is not. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. Este tiene 4 lados. Entonces, es un cuadrilátero. It's a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. They're all straight, which means it's a quadrilateral. Este es un cuadrilátero porque tiene 4 lados. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a hexagon. It has 6 sides. Este tiene 6 lados. So, it's not a quadrilateral. Entonces, no es un cuadrilátero. So, we can circle the 3 that are quadrilaterals. 1, 2, not that guy, he's got 6. 3. Those 3 are quadrilaterals. Now, we need to draw 2 quadrilaterals that are not the same types as those you just circled. Dibujo 2 cuadriláteros que no sean del mismo tipo de los que acabas en cerrar en un círculo. So we'll need to draw 2 quadrilaterals that are not the same type as we just circled. So try not to draw a square, try not to draw a rectangle, and try not to draw a parallelogram, okay? Can't wait to see your drawings, friends. It's going to be fun. Let's move on to question number 3 together. All right, mathematicians. Question number 3 is asking us to multiplicar. Okay? So let's look at the first problem and we'll do it together. 5 times 6. 5 por 6. 5 groups of 6. 5 grupos de 6. So, one of my favorite strategies for multiplying is the loops and groups. The loops and groups, let's make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 loops. And we're counting 5 groups of multiply 6. So we need to draw 6 little tallies in each loop. You can do it however you like. I like to do little tallies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's count up how many we have all together, and then we figured out 5 groups of 6. So we've got 6 plus 6, 6 más 6, 12. We have 6 more than 12. 6 más de 12, 18, 18. We have 6 more than that. 6 más de este, 24. And 6 more than that. 6 más de 24. It's 30. So, 5 groups of 6 is 30. 5 grupos de 6 es 30. So try using the loops and groups strategy, or whatever strategy works best for you on the rest of the problems. And mathematicians, my 3rd grade friends, our challenge problems, problem number 4, I believe in you. You can do it. So give it your best try. Use the answer key if you get stuck. And don't forget, call your teacher. We're here to help. It's our job. Good luck out there, mathematicians.